So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng UNLI 5G 80 sa ating Globe SIM. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile device, itap lang natin yung dial sa ating phone. And dito, dial lang natin is *143, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And then, after nyan guys, dito, ang piliin lang natin is yung number 4, which is yung UNLI 5G. So, type natin yung number 4 and then tap send. And dito naman guys, piliin natin yung number 2, which is yung UNLI 5G 80. So, type natin yung number 2 and then tap send. So, ayan guys, nakalagay dito is kapag daw nag-register tayo ng UNLI 5G 80, makakakuha tayo ng unlimited 5G experience with UNLI 5G data plus 2 GB data for all sites. At bukod pa dun guys, meron siyang UNLI all-net text and calls. Valid na siya for 2 days. So, for only 80 pesos. So, type lang natin yung number 1 para ma-subscribe and then tap send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng UNLI 5G 80 sa ating Globe SIM. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!